I've been a joint surgeon for over 25 years. In that time, I've operated on more than 12,000 seniors. And I can tell you something that might shock you. The world's most common healthy exercise, the one we've all been told is the safest, is quietly destroying millions of knees, hips, and spines after age 60. For decades, doctors, trainers, and health magazines have praised walking as the ultimate exercise. We were told it strengthens the heart, tones the legs, and keeps us mobile for life. But in operating rooms across the globe, I see a very different truth. Every week, seniors who walk daily, some doing 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day, come in with joint pain, cartilage wear, and knees grinding bone on bone. These aren't rare cases, they're becoming the norm. You see, walking by itself doesn't strengthen your supporting muscles enough to protect your joints. And without that protection, every step you take adds a tiny bit of friction and strain, until one day, your body simply says enough. The myth that walking alone keeps you healthy has been one of the most profitable ideas in fitness history. Why? Because the global walking and wearable market is worth over $300 billion a year. Every shoe company, step tracker brand, and supplement maker wants you to believe walking is all you need, because that belief keeps you buying. But here's the real story. Only 5 specific types of movement, proven through orthopedic and vascular science, have been shown to rebuild strength, protect joints, and extend mobility decades longer. In this video, I'll reveal those 5 surgeon-approved exercises that outperform walking, movements that not only protect your knees and hips, but actually help reverse muscle loss and improve balance faster than any treadmill or pill ever could. And stay with me, because exercise number 2 will surprise you. It's a movement so simple that hospitals in Japan now use it to help seniors recover leg strength 40% faster after surgery. All studies and medical sources are linked below, from Harvard, Mayo Clinic, and international orthopedic journals. But before we begin, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? And how many minutes a day do you walk or exercise? I read every comment personally, and I'd love to hear your story. Now let's start with number 5. Push-ups aren't just for young athletes or military boot camps. In fact, the wall push-up might be one of the safest and most effective exercises for adults over 60. A study from the American College of Sports Medicine found that older adults who did modified push-ups 3 times per week increased their upper body strength by 34% in just 8 weeks, compared to only 7% in the walking-only group. Why is this so powerful? Because walking barely engages your upper body, while wall push-ups work your chest, shoulders, arms, and core all at once. These muscles protect you from falls, help you push yourself up from a chair, and keep your spine stable when you move. Here's how to do it right. Stand about arm's length from a wall. Place your palms at shoulder height, shoulder width apart. Slowly lean in until your nose almost touches the wall, then press back to the start. Keep your body straight and your core engaged. As you get stronger, step a little further from the wall to increase resistance. According to the Cleveland Clinic, maintaining upper body strength after 60 cuts the risk of shoulder injuries by over 40%. And even more importantly, it helps you keep your independence. This one exercise improves bone density, strengthens your posture, and gives you number 4, chair squats. If I had to choose just one exercise to preserve independence after 60, it would be the chair squat. It mimics the exact motion you use dozens of times a day, standing up, sitting down, getting out of cars, and climbing stairs. Research in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity showed that seniors who practice chair squats improved their ability to stand up by 43% and reduced their risk of mobility disability by 38% in 2 years. That's life-changing. The reason this matters is simple. The quadriceps, front thigh muscles, are the fastest to weaken with age. They can lose up to 40% of their strength between ages 50 and 80 if not trained. Here's the correct form. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair with your feet hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest. Push through your heels to stand, keeping your chest up. Then lower yourself slowly for 3 to 4 seconds before sitting down again. That slow return, called eccentric training, is where the magic happens. It builds muscle faster and safer, without spiking blood pressure or joint stress. Your independence depends on these muscles. And every rep you do is an investment in freedom. Number 3, single leg stance. Here's a question. Can you stand on one leg for 10 seconds without holding on? If not, you're not alone, but you should start working on it today. A Mayo Clinic study found that seniors who could balance on one leg for 10 seconds had a 50% lower risk of death from all causes over the next 7 years. That's because balance isn't just a physical skill. Each variation retrains your nervous system, strengthens your ankles, and sharpens your reflexes. The British Medical Journal found that seniors who practice single-leg stands just 5 minutes a day cut their fall risk by 36% and walk 12% faster. Balance training literally changes your brain. Neuroimaging shows it increases gray matter in regions that control movement and coordination. You're not just preventing falls, you're rewiring your nervous system for better control and confidence. Number 2, resistance band rows. This one might surprise you. The resistance band row is one of the simplest yet most powerful movements you can do for your back, shoulders, and posture. That forward-leaning hunch many seniors develop isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's called kyphosis, and it affects breathing, balance, and even digestion. A UCLA study showed seniors with forward posture were 3.4 times more likely to need daily assistance and had 44% higher mortality rates. Resistance band rows target the exact muscles that fight that posture, your mid-back, shoulders, and spine stabilizers. They strengthen the muscles that pull your shoulders back, helping you stand tall again. Attach a resistance band to a doorknob or railing at chest height. Grab both handles, step back slightly, and pull toward your ribs while squeezing your shoulder blades together, like cracking a walnut between them. It's gentle, joint-safe, and highly effective. Studies show resistance bands increase strength 27% faster than free weights in older adults. In one clinical trial, posture improved by an average of 3 inches after 8 weeks, and chronic back pain dropped by 58%. Your posture affects everything: balance, confidence, even lung capacity. And this one exercise can literally help you breathe easier. Number 1, Tai Chi. Finally, the exercise that outperforms them all, Tai Chi. Number 1, Tai Chi. Finally, the exercise that outperforms them all, Tai Chi. Harvard Medical School researchers followed over 1,200 seniors for 5 years and found that those who practice Tai Chi 3 times a week reduced their fall risk by 47%, more than any other intervention, including strength or balance training alone. But Tai Chi does something no other exercise does. It rewires your brain. It trains coordination, balance, flexibility, and focus all at once, in slow, flowing, mindful movements. Brain scans show regular Tai Chi practitioners have increased gray matter in areas that control movement, memory, and decision-making. It's literally youth training for your brain. The rhythmic, gentle weight shifting strengthens your legs, improves joint stability, and lowers stress hormones by up to 30%. That's crucial because chronic stress accelerates both muscle and bone loss. Studies from the New England Journal of Medicine even found Tai Chi reduced pain and improved knee function better than physical therapy for osteoarthritis, with benefits lasting months after practice stopped. And the best part? It's completely adaptable. You can do it standing, sitting, alone, or in a group, and it becomes more effective the longer you practice. The old advice, that walking alone is enough, simply doesn't hold up anymore. Science now shows that the key to longevity isn't just movement, it's targeted movement. These 5 exercises, wall push-ups, chair squats, single-leg stands, resistance band rows, and Tai Chi, together rebuild strength, balance, posture, and brain-body coordination. Seniors who train. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe for more science-backed movement tips, and share it with a friend who still believes walking is all they need. And let me know in the comments, which of these 5 will you start with today? Thank you.